So let's take a look at another definition. The next word we're going to look at is profit. And what is profit? Well, let's take a look at the answer here. Oops. Okay. The answer. So when you're running a business, typically that's what profit is when you run a business, and that includes just running your own household. You know, if you think you sometimes you could think of your household as a business, right? But for now, we're just going to pretend like, for example, we have a lemonade stand or something. So what is profit? Well, profit, oh boy, profit equals revenues minus expenses. Okay, so let's take a look at our lemonade stand. You're selling cups. You're selling cups of lemonade just like hotcakes, right? You're just selling and selling cups of lemonade. And let's say in a week you take in $500 in sales, right? That's what revenues means, is how much you sold or how much income is coming in, right? If you're a plumber, the money you earn from being a plumber, that's your revenue. If you're a roofer, same thing, or whatnot. So anytime you're running a business, your revenues is how much money is coming in. And in this case, we earned $500, right? But we don't get to keep that $500 because we have expenses, right? And so let's say like the lemons and the cups and everything else was like $100, right? Well, in order to find our profit, we take our revenues minus our expenses, which means we take this $500 and subtract $100. Our profit is $400. That means that we get to pocket $400. Even though you think we might pocket 500, we really don't, because we had expenses of 100. So 500 minus 100, that's $400. That's ours. That's new money, right? That's profit. That's the revenues minus expenses, right? What if this situation happened? And this happens often. That's good. Having a positive $400. Wow, that's awesome profit. Let's take a look at a situation that could happen. You've got to be careful when you're in business, because sometimes, let's say you sold $500, but you have all these expenses, way more expenses. You have $600 in expenses, right? And you want to find out what your profit is. Well, $500 income and $600 expenses, that means that's $100 more expenses, more in expenses than your revenues. So 500 minus 600, if you type that in on the calculator, you're going to get minus 100. That is not good. When you have negative profit, that means you are losing money. You're losing money. That means you're having to take money from your pocket and sink it into the business over and over. You're going to be broke if you keep doing that. If you keep sinking in $100 every week, you're going to run out of money. You're going to eventually run out of money, and you're going to go out of business. So if anybody says profit, what is profit? Well, you take your revenues, which is your income, minus your expenses, and that's your profit. I hope this helped clear up what profit is if you didn't know it before. Maybe you already knew what this is, but okay, well, thanks. Have a great day.